Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to make soft effects on CapCut. I had imported some pictures here and I want to add a soft effects. The first, you can click on the overlay and then click add overlay and click on the pink background. Match the duration and also resize it, match the size I mean. And then you click on a splice, click on the filter and adjust the filter like this. Click check mark and after that you can click back, click on the filters and then on the nature click on the spring colors, click on the check marks and extend the duration. So you will have soft things effects here. This is the result. So this is how to make soft effects on CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.